Damn my boys. That's me. You got a problem with me messaging you?
Bot Neil.
Let's go, everyone.
Hey, I'll invite you.
What?
Okay.
I started recording and then my gosh, it crashed. Really? Okay. Thanks. Yeah.
Invite you.
Alright.
Yeah,
I'm coming. What? Yeah, now you can. You should be able to now. Go ahead. Yeah.
Press escape and go to invite friends if it doesn't work.
You can.
Hey,
Okay, what is going
Try
on?
it now.
are you able to just join me?
No, I am not.
Check in. Clear.
Man, the give sounds weird.
New update, dude.
I can't
Okay.
open my counter check when I. That's weird. Ding dong.
Okay. Yeah, that's what you have to do, dude. You have to make a lobby.
Okay. I'll try
Son.
launching counter check again. Alright,
Now
I
you're
got
just
it.
making.
It's working now.
In the lobby? Alright, cool. Alright, I'm
Maybe.
fine. Yep, alright, here we go. Cool. Oh, did you still put 3?
I thought I'd ranked out, but I sold it.
Oh, yeah, in the lobby. I can join the lobby.
Good.
You want me to join? See what he does.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
This is gonna be too good. Too good. Wait, what's good?
Come on. There.
Alright, we're
Hey,
going.
Mark.
Cool. Alright, it's gonna take me a while to load in. No.
Anymore. Look again. T5.
Let's move.
Alright, cool. No, I'm not in.
You know how I get rid of these bots?
No. Oh, dude, I've played
yeah,
on
the
this
bot
one
and
before.
short kick. Wait, no, that can get rebot. Oh.
I've played on this one before.
Yeah, I'll just keep bots.
Oh, by the way, we're supposed to play on.
Why, I'm
We're
your
supposed
team
to
is
play
like,
on.
if you do bot kick,
We're
I'll kick
supposed to
every.
play on T.
Check in.
I don't.
We're supposed to play on T.
We are?
SV.
Kill yourself, dude. Yeah, we
just-
are.
These
Hey,
every-
kill yourself again. Oh, what's this?
Why?
Oh, never mind, I'm on. Where are you?
I'm in a
Oh,
prison,
that
okay? I'm in a prison.
Hey.
Somebody's here.
You have the knife?
Somebody's
Whoa.
here.
No.
There we go.
This is warm up, dude. No, I don't
Alright.
have it. Dude, only
invite
one
me.
person gets the knife. Okay? This is how it works.
So, these are the commands I want you to do. To turn off cheats. Actually, no, first do,
Noah. Noah. Noah.
Hurry.
Noah. Noah.
Quiet, Samuel. Alright,
Is that like
make your
casual?
way to me. Wait, is there a knife here?
I hope it's not casual.
I found it, okay.
Oh, I downloaded really fast. Yeah, it's not casual. Okay, good. No, this is casual.
Noah, where are you?
What's up, nerd?
Hey,
How's it going, nerd?
What do we, oh, we go up here.
Go up here, boy. By the way, we're also
Okay,
gonna have to go underwater.
let's see.
Okay,
do
we're
this
underwater.
command.
You're gonna start taking damage soon, so hurry up.
And then turn sheets off. I get an A4. Woohoo, my gun. I'm Bob Bill right now. Okay, do that. Did you do those commands?
Let's go. Alright, there's gonna be some guys coming up pretty soon, so.
It's gonna be
Come on.
the best.
Oh, got a flashbang.
And turn off sheets. Just copy this. What noises?
Alright. One sec. Alright, I got my P250.
Did you turn off cheats?
Alright, dude, some crap's gonna go down, okay? Watch.
I'm throwing a flashback.
Throw it in. Whoa, they're not in here? That's weird. Alright, dude, pick up your weapons.
I need to find you guys. Where
Pick
are you
up
guys
some
at?
weapons, though.
Oh, get them!
Now you're dead. Wait,
What?
who's that guy? It's that guy. It's that weird guy again. It's doing 2K.
Well, it's weird.
This is so good!
Move it.
I slaughtered
It's that
everyone.
weird dude again. What the hell?
I get up.
Dude, I hate that guy. Alright, walk in the corner and get a knife. And, you know the drill. Come on.
I don't see it.
Can you hear it?
don't
Can
see
you hear
nothing.
it?
Dude, just walk in the corner. Okay?
This is me.
Keep walking in the. Okay, never mind. I have it apparently.
You can't? But you
go.
can't hear it.
And by the way, here's the bomb. Take that. Thank you.
No, just do all talk. Make
go.
sure did you turn all talk on?
Dude, here's that weird. Wait, one sec.
Make sure did you
Check.
you set it to 1.
Stewie. 2. Okay. Okay, that didn't work. I think you have to do
Do
it 'cause you're
that
not
command.
really on it. Whoa!
And that command. Do the
I'm
both those,
lagging,
just copy them.
dude. My ping
slow you
is
guys.
200, dude. I'm lagged.
I hate you guys.
Dude, I'm at.
No, that's a bot.
Alright, dude.
Wait,
Let's
wait,
do
wait.
this.
Okay.
Alright.
Do it, hurry.
Flashbang. Who's that weird guy? What the hell is he?
Do it. Okay, both.
Wait for me.
Coming in. Open
Dude,
the
come on,
door.
pick up weapons. Hurry up. The
Yes.
nerds are coming in. any
Easy,
second.
dude. Open the door. Open
Wait, look at
the
this
door.
computer.
Dude, this guy's a pro. This guy's a pro. Alright, this guy's a
Whoa.
Okay, he's
Oh, I
dead.
don't have
Wait, dude,
armor.
he's
That's
taking the
not
bots. Dude, he's gonna kill you. That's it. Game over. Have fun. He's gonna come up right behind you. Dude, left. He's coming up left.
What?
Why is the time so
I
short?
hate this guy.
Dude, I don't have armor. This is unfair. I accidentally jumped.
I hate this guy.
Freaking out.
We will make them
Alright, dude, get the knife.
How are we supposed to make
Yeah,
the
like
whole thing?
Oh, you oh, okay, I just saw you.
Okay, let's go.
Nathan?
I know exactly
What?
where you guys are.
Okay. One sec, dude.
How did he know he like jumped? He knew. Is he,
Alright,
is
let's
he,
go.
is
Wait,
he-
dude, wait. I call dibs on the P2. Wait,
I know you guys
I
dropped
get
down.
Deagle and M4.
Drop down the vent.
I get Deagle and M4, okay?
I finally get a pistol. Drop down the
Wait, I heard you when I.
Alright, dude. No. That was just the water. You have a certain amount of breath. I call.
Yeah.
Dude, come
I
on.
heard it.
Destroy that.
It sounds
Alright. Then let's hurry up and kill this guy. And all the bots. Alright? Can you fly, by the way?
I get a flash.
Alright, break it. You picked it up just now.
I-
Good, come on,
Stop.
break it.
Ah,
Oh my god!
Ace?
What the heck?
XD, dude.
Ace? What is wrong with you? Who are you? Who are you?
who are you, Chink?
Tired.
Who are you, dude?
Do you hear it?
Dude, who are you? Bro. He's just playing music.
Please follow your
What the heck? This guy's weird.
Oh, you guys are here.
Gotta be cautious. Cautious.
You guys
Are
in there?
you-
Are you on the? You're on the computer.
Alright,
You
alright.
guys in that room with the computers? What is this bot doing?
Break it. Throw the flash thing in. Dude, he's waiting down there.
Yeah, you guys in the room? Yeah, you guys.
Dang it, dude! Oh my god! Dude, who are you?
Oh, come on. That's not-
That's it, dude. Just die. Just kill yourself. Just
Go, let's go.
This is funny.
Never mind.
Where's the A
Just die. Kill
for?
yourself. I got this. I got a plan.
Where's
freaking
the A
kidding
for?
What are you doing? Alright, there we go.
I'm sitting on the toilet.
Wait, what's going on?
Oh my god, you sick, twisted little mind.
Now I have an A4.
Stewie, who are you?
Guys, I tell you, we kill them all.
Wait, I'm on the wrong team. What? What?
Stewie!
We're on the wrong team. We're on the wrong team. What? What?
Oh, I don't want to know.
What is
I
this?
want to know who this guy is.
What?
I don't have a
Who's
weapon.
in the door?
Damn.
That's me. Chill out. Don't
What?
kill me. I'm gonna be in here. I'm the guy
Okay,
with
switch
the knife.
switch
Okay,
teams. Let's
wait,
switch
what
the
the heck?
teams. Dude.
Why are you both on
And
team?
why do I have a bomb only? I don't have a knife. No, I'm on your team, dude. This is me. This is me. This is me. Fix it. Oh, you started him. Fix it. Oh well, I'll kill him. Don't matter. Oh, I can't. I need you. Because you have the knife. I don't have a knife. This is stupid. Why don't I have a knife?
These niggas still there.
Alright,
Yeah, I'm
break it,
still
break
here.
it. To leave? I want a gun. What? What a loser. I don't have a gun. That's not fair.
Rip. Come on, Stewie, oh boy. You can do better than that. You're a pro CSGO player. Come on, dude.
Knife! I don't even have a knife, dude. Turn off the MP. Turn off team balance, dude. Turn that off. What's going on? You're not. He shouldn't be able to switch teams. There we go. Be a bot.
It's just you, huh, Josiah? You serious?
Really wish I did that.
Well, dude, what the heck? I hate this guy, alright? I
Can
hate
you,
him.
like, make him switch
I wanna
teams? Oh,
eat his
I know.
insides.
Get on my side.
This is easy.
Why
kill
would I
them,
do that?
and then we go
Do
home.
not want to join you. Stuck. Crap. There, grab a knife.
Dude, I'm gonna be in here with the AK. Do not kill me, alright? You're gonna come out of the vent and I'm gonna be right here. Alright, I'm the dude with the knife. to chill out. All right, I can get you through this game.
I'll let you guys
dude.
get guns. Just like an out gun.
Got it, Josiah.
I climbed up.
All right, I'm gonna be defending you actually.
The bot. Why do you have a bot on your team?
All right, yeah.
Why
break
you
that.
join my
break
team?
that
Really?
stuff. You know what
Okay,
I'm
turn it on so I can kill him.
You hear that gunshot? That's me. Don't kill. Don't kill. It's me. It's me. All right, come on. Come on, I'll get you decked out. One sec. Where's the bot? What? Why'd you just kill me? Are you freaking? You know what? I'm gonna kill you. Yeah, I'm gonna kill you right now, boy. I'm gonna kill you.
Don't kill me. Don't kill me.
Pleasure.
Can you make it so I can kill him?
Freaking lost HP because of shit. Alright, dude, I'm gonna have to kill you. I'm sorry. Where'd you go, dude?
Hurry. Coming. He's here. He's here. Did you do it?
My boy. Stewie's still here.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't.
Shut the hell up, Stewie. I hate you.
Turn it on.
Let's go, my brother.
Didn't work, dude.
I'm not gonna play this if this stupid Stewie guy's gonna be.
Why is he joining
Let's
my
play
team?
trucks.
Join my team.
What is he doing?
No, let's play trucks.
Trucks, okay.
I'm gonna make a lobby. Okay. Join my
You
lobby.
guys want a different map or something?
Let's
now?
do this.
What is going on? Are you kidding me?
All right, everything is in order. Let's do it. Though.
Stupid. This is really stupid.
All right, cool. Go.
Wait, I'll be right back.
What? Okay.
XD. Oh, you know, I'm gonna join you guys lobby and he'll be like, what? He'll be like, how? Wait, oh, you might want to remove, yeah, remove me from your friends list. Actually, wait, no, make your, wait, how do we do that? Make your profile private.
You like it when I do that?
Make your profile, go to your profile. Go to your profile and then go to edit profile.
Alright.
And then go to privacy
I'm going
settings.
to
And then do
choose-
profile status private. Not friends only, do it private. So this is only you can view your profile page. Tell me you did that and I'll join. Oh, you already in the lobby. But do that anyway for now, because you'll know. Because you can just look at your friends. Truck Wars? What is Truck Wars?
Alright, only a
Edgy meme compilation 2016. Mad Max Truck Wars. Cringe. Yes.
guy connected
This
to the
map.
server. My God.
Okay, tell him not to
Break time
cheat.
Why
over,
did I
ladies.
just-
Let's go.
Easy.
Why is he doing this?
Where's an AK? It's so laggy. What is this? What is my ping? What is my
Is he like
ping?
some sort of hacker or
Ethan,
something?
your ping.
I don't think. No, it's look. Well, no, the host always has that.
My ping's 2, dude. What are you talking about? Your ping's... Oh my God, your ping is terrible.
That's stupid.
Alright, AK is only.
AK is only.
Alright, you got your voice too. Stay away! I'm gonna kill you, boy!
What the heck is this? Yeah, I know. Wait, what? You're moving stuff? Wait, how? Oh. Wait, why are we doing that? What's the point of that? Oh, I see over there.
Blow you up with
I'm gonna spray him from this distance. Watch me.
Dang, dude, he shot me.
Wow, some shot didn't kill me.
Dude, am I laggy? My ping's it too, but I feel like I'm lagging.
Why do I see?
Counter-terrorist.
Oh my god, Stewie. What is wrong with that guy?
I'm trying to voice change it. I have a text-to-speech thing. I've been doing text-to-speech.
Oh, by the way, dude, you
Uh-huh.
can't cheat
Dick.
weapons anymore, apparently.
Okay.
You can't
Oh,
cheat
oh.
command weapons.
Whoa! Lag!
Weird.
Man, I'm
Dude, the
just
stuff they
lagging.
take
I
out
don't
in these
have my gun.
updates.
It's trash it too.
Am I laggy? No, I'm not. So great. Alright, let's do this.
It's my bronze bison. So brass. I run into the barrel zone so you can actually blow up.
You'll never know. Really? No,
Into the
actually.
barrels.
No.
Yeah, and see if they'll actually kill.
Dude, they will. I've done it with Noah before.
Did I light him? What is he doing?
Stewie! Get out of here!
Did he?
Oh my god, dude! What the
I
heck?
wanna kill him.
Don't think by it.
Dude, quit laughing like that. What kind of laugh
Dude,
is that?
This is so laggy. Like what?
Yeah.
What? What is going? My gun's gone. Okay. What is going on, dude? This is so laggy.
Keep using
Okay.
scope weapons.
Cool.
Oh, what a lizzy.
Any gun is allowed. Okay, any gun is allowed.
Hey, is cheats
Except
on?
for auto.
Oh, okay,
No autos.
he
Autos
won't, he don't.
aren't allowed, but any other
Hey,
guns. Stewie! Who the hell are you?
I'm stuck in this barrel.
You're stuck in a barrel?
16.
Life
Every time
is
I
like
ask you
a
who he is, he
nigger
says
here in Old Nicks. I hate fucking niggers. Niggers.
Okay, what's
They're all poor like a bu-
Shut up, Stewie.
What?
Dude, I'm stuck. Oh my god.
Oh, can
Okay,
he
I'm
hear it
stuck.
or something? For your headphones or something? Is it that loud or something?
Whoa! Whoa! Where's that coming from?
If I actually just go down, that'd be insane.
Whoa,
Got one. What?
where do you get 7? No.
Good. It's 2 against 1.
Is he lit at all?
God,
I lit him 86.
Yeah, you're right.
I lit him 86.
I wanna go see what your base looks like.
Why
Let me
is he so
drive over
confident? Oh, we
You
can
want to
drive. Oh, we're
drive
allowed
over
to
here and
drive
see
over
what my
there?
base looks like?
Yeah, don't
Okay.
Stu,
alright, I
don't
won't-
shoot. I just want to see what his base looks like.
How do you get in the car? How do you get in the car? I can't press E.
Alright, come on over.
Doesn't
No, you
work.
can't drive that car. You have to drive the one over here.
Dude, come on. You coming?
Let's go.
I want to play the game.
Don't shoot.
Did I just hit you?
Yeah, you think.
I
Alright.
dinked you.
What? I was just playing. I didn't think that actually.
Nice try.
Alright, come see my base.
XD, dude.
What's the point?
Series and an off. There he is.
God dang it, Stewie.
How to get
Stewie, I
out?
hate you.
Let's make the Bureau
I don't
proud.
even know how to get out. I can't believe I killed him while doing it on there.
The dual
So
burritos.
bad, I can't do anything.
It's called dual
The lag.
burritos. Why did you just call them dual burritos?
I don't know. Dude.
Because-
Nothing.
What the heck?
Can he hear me? I wonder. It's on custom.
Stewie, leave! You're wrecking every game we play.
Should I play the Mo clip? Should I play the Mo?
Stewie!
Why aren't cheats on? Surprised. Play what? No, he can, I think. What do you want me to play? Some like distorted music, really loud stuff? What?
Dude, is that you?
Jumping bison.
I saw.
Why'd you do this to me? Shut up!
Damn,
My
I like it
God.
so much.
Dude, this is a 2v1. This isn't good. What the heck? I hate Stewie. Why is he here? Dang it, Stewie. My God, Brie.
Okay, I'll make it a 1v1.
What?
Kick him. I don't
I don't
like
know
this
how
guy here.
Oh,
You don't know how
why
to
can't I
kick
have
people?
throws?
Okay.
Why can't I throw those?
I don't know. Why are you throwing Molly?
Dude.
Tomate. Tomate. Tomate.
Right.
Oh yeah. I want to eat that tamale. Broth.
Yeah, I'll be back.
Apparently this guy is. Okay, whatever. Stewie, we don't have to do this, man. I just want to know who you are. Dude, what the heck? What?
Let's do my shit. Go.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay. Dude, I hate this Stewie guy. I hate this guy. Why does he have to be here? It's weird.
Just snipe him.
This is so laggy. What the heck?
It's time to celebrate. It's time to celebrate.
Oh, I see you.
Got ya.
Help that he has 2 ping and I have like 152 and he has 2. What?
How'd you just
He's cheating? What? He's what? He's invisible.
Dude, I'm in a car. I'm in a broken car.
What?
Okay? I'm in a broken
How do you get out? How do you get out? Help! 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 How do you get out? What? I don't know. I can't get out now. Oh, stupid. If he kills me and I don't see him, then that's gonna be stupid.
How did you go invisible?
Is he still
Stupid.
invisible?
God damn. Stay away! I hate that guy.
Come on, let's get this started.
Here, I'm gonna try tears.
Yeah, you be on my side. I'm sick of this guy. Eat him. Alright, let's do 1v1 versus a pro professional freaking comp player. Let's see how I do.
This is funny.
No. Got my Dago. I got my op. Got a knife. Let's do this.
Maybe from the blue, this one.
Let's do it.
Is he even up?
I think I'm too far away.
Up?
Oh, no, you're not aiming at us.
Terrorists win.
You could have told me.
Get fucking wrecked.
Yeah, this car is so slow.
How do we get weapons?
See, but he's
Bye.
Oh.
whenever I tap, it goes to your stupid chat. Okay, just this should be on Discord instead. I need Steam.
Hey,
Yeah.
dude, guess what? Wait, you can get in that car? I didn't know that. Hey, wait. 1 sec. 1 sec. I want to get in too.
No, we
Alright,
get
let's do
another
this.
cars.
I'll
We
shoot
got
you.
2 cars.
No, let's get in this one. It's easier to shoot and do that stuff. Alright, we gotta wait. 1, go. Drive. I'll shoot.
This car is actually gonna work.
I'll shoot. Come on, motherfucker.
That did it. You gone? I think someone think.
Screwed up, man. Whoa, I'm killing. This is pretty ridiculous. Get off my tail! Oh my
Get out,
god!
get out.
Oh no!
Oh,
I'm
I'm
stuck!
stuck.
I'm dead!
Oh, how did
I don't know. Oh, I hate you here!
Oh, I don't get the off.
Let's try to steal the thing.
Alright, come on, dude. Come on, let's do it.
Get 2 cars.
No, wait. Get in the big one. Let's get in the big one. Come here.
Okay,
Alright,
I'm
fine.
trying
We'll
to
get in
get
this one again. Let's do
Okay.
it. Alright, dude. Let's get in this one. Come on, let's get in this big old thing. Wait, no. Let's get in the race car. Let's do this in style,
Alright,
dude.
let's race.
Let's do this in style.
I'll
No.
take this one.
Get in the- Get in the race.
And let it happen.
Hey, dude. I'm stuck. I can't move the vehicle.
Not really.
Okay, that's it. Yeah, really.
Wonder
What
why,
the heck? I have to switch cars. I am in another
Don't
one.
run me over, my die. Hi! Come on.
Get wrecked. That's man. It's time to say stupid dirty blood. I'm sliding off the road, dude. You shooting? You shooting? Ooh. Oh no! Barry! Stop me!
Get him. You're in the passenger seat. You can't drive.
Dude, you can't drive this car anywhere. It's broken.
No, you can't. No, you can't.
I'm in. Dang it, stop going! Alright, let's get the same car, okay? We'll be more powerful. Okay?
No, if we
You know what I'm
drive
saying?
2 different cars, they'll have 2 different targets.
No, dude, this works so much
Why is
better.
it hundred?
Come on, get in.
Hundred.
Come on. What's with the Tech 9? What the fudge? Shoot me.
Yeah, it's so shaky.
go. Woo! Oi. Come on, let's do it, boy! Let's do it! Are you serious?
I can't get out.
I can't see you guys.
I can't get out of this hole. Shut up. Dude, I can't get out of the hole.
What? Keep jumping.
Oh, it's so laggy.
What the fuck?
It's so laggy.
Dude, I can't get out of this freaking hole.
Super laggy.
It's so laggy.
Dude,
I
you
moved
killed
once and then like it's super slow.
I just got out of the hole and won the game.
What is this? Turn on cheats.
No, just eagles. Just eagles. Just eagles.
I don't want to fly
I
over
said
there.
just eagles. What's wrong with you?
Jeez, dude.
Jason, turn on cheats so we can fly over there.
Oh,
What?
no. That's not fixed. You're gonna have God mode. Don't.
Turn on cheats? How?
I don't know.
Dude, I think they disabled it in this update, alright? Dude, alright, come on,
Okay.
get in. Get in the car.
I don't know how you guys. Did you guys fly
Get
over
in
here
the
or something? Because
car.
I didn't
You're
see a
shot
car.
in the
Car is
balls.
invisible to me. So
Come
that's
on.
Cool. Okay, well I didn't see a car. How? I didn't even see a
Stupid.
car.
Get in that car!
But I was looking.
It's falling halfway here already!
Does he see me?
Get back!
Dang.
What the? Dude, turn around! Turn around!
How much?
Let's take over his base.
What? So
He
many
did?
money.
You flooded me? Wait, dude, I'm stuck! No,
Oh, I'm stuck.
Oh, dude, I'm stuck! I got him.
Really is off.
Get those off.
Alright,
Why?
dude,
Wait,
I
why
got
can't
him.
I get off? Why? That's really unfair. Is he spawned it in?
I can't afford it.
It doesn't make sense
Come on,
that
dude.
that side
Alright,
gets an
let's get
op
in
and
this
we
one.
don't.
Come on. Get in this car.
Oh, you can
Get in
buy?
that car!
They can't. There's no buy zone.
You hear me, boy?
The buy zone.
Eat you
There's no buy
alive!
zone, dude. Wow, you can and I can't. Okay.
Why do I got a wristwatch on? Have you noticed that I have a
That's really
wristwatch on?
fair.
Look at that wristwatch. Do you have a wristwatch? No? What the heck? You just got fire, bro! What are you doing?
Whoa, what's all the fire back there?
See the mother fludger. Mother fludger's in sight. Let's kill the mother fludger. I'm a deagle him to death. Alright, dude, he's gonna be to the right. He's gonna be. What the heck are you doing? Do you even drive? Are you like. What? He lit. He's lit. He lit me. Oh, there he is. What is that? I think he's fell in that hole. Let's go. You lit me like 99. No, I'm kidding. I'm at 80. Dude, I'm at 82. I'm at 82.
Okay, why is
It's super laggy.
I'm
Sucks.
stuck again. Alright, I'm good.
Don't kill him. Let's try to get the tanker.
This way. This way.
Here he is.
There he is!
Oh.
Damn it, dude, he killed me!
Yes.
Are you
Wow.
fletching with me right now, bro?
Okay, turn on cheats, dude.
Oh my god.
Turn on cheats. Dude, why are you in?
Do it. Do it. Run him over. Dude, run him over. You even know how to run people over? You have a license to do that?
I'm in the back of the car. Yeah, it's awesome. Wait, stay stuck. Wait, stay stuck. Never mind then. I was gonna get in, and your passenger, he's like.
Jump out. Jump out.
I'm like trying to run. No! That was so funny.
Where is he?
I like his lag. I like his lag.
Let me see. I can't switch this
Oh.
camera.
Yeah, trying to get the messenger.
There it is!
I'm in the
Dude, you
messenger.
got
Wait, what?
2 seconds.
You're not here.
You got a couple seconds for this guy over. Just do it! No, just kill him! Now! Go! Okay, let's see. Get it.
Terrorists win.
Dang it.
Wait, what?
Ah,
What? What just happened?
Oh.
Are you fucking
I don't even know. What is going on?
Yeah, move it. Move it.
Let's only use like what?
It's unfair that you get
Come on, dude.
I
All
wanna,
right, dude, let's get this. Let's no. Come on,
getting
come
butt
on.
hurt.
I'll
Get
race
this.
you over there.
I'm not driving. I'm not driving.
I'll
Well,
race
no,
you over
come
there.
on.
I'll race
Wait,
you.
what?
Let's go.
No, let's race over.
I ain't racing.
I don't even get like a
I ain't
creep.
racing. Shut up.
Oh, is that how you do it? Because I'm here? Nope. So, yeah,
Oh yeah.
No, you're not. You freaking drive like a drunk
see it?
man.
Another car?
I don't know. I never know.
Oh, I'm stuck.
Whoa! He's shooting me. He's shooting me. He just shot me.
Just killed someone.
How is he
Stuck
shooting
now.
me? He just killed me. He's up on the roof. He's up on the roof of the building.
Yeah, you can drive that.
He's up on the roof.
Just find your car. Like this. Wait.
Stuck.
Okay, I actually don't see your car.
Get in the
This is
car,
spooky.
then leave the car again.
Yeah.
Hurry up. Now leave the car.
Wait, where's your car?
Oh my
Okay,
god,
right
you're
there.
dead.
I
Just
think it's
kill.
actually a bug. 'Cause, like I lose sight of your
Like
car.
that. I mean, it's
I'm gonna come. Don't kill me. I'm gonna come mess with you. Like, kill me. Oh, I the car.
oh,
Kill.
there he is.
Oh, dude.
You killed him? He's
Yeah,
so
cool.
stupid.
Wow. Okay, I see.
Why'd you kill him?
What?
Dang it.
Why'd you kill
I was
him?
experimenting with something.
Were you
Shut
gonna
up.
Join his team?
Shut up. Just kill yourself. No, just kill yourself.
Okay,
please.
turn on the. Oh, he can't.
Goodbye.
I see really
Dude,
good shit.
okay, thanks. Thanks a lot, man.
I can't kill him.
I'm tired. Hungry. I wanna let my brother get home soon. Alright, that's it, dude. I'm doing it. I'm going auto.
He's an auto.
Come on.
Really?
No, dude, this guy is messing with us. I'm gonna
Okay,
auto him.
okay,
As much as I
okay.
hate this gun.
Why have
I'm
a
gonna do
bison?
it.
A second ago I had an M4,
Alright,
and now
let's
it's a
get in this.
bison.
Let's get,
I hate
dude,
his
let's get in this
internet.
monster. Let's get in this
So
big truck.
unstable.
Okay?
You drive that truck.
Get in the
we'll
big
this
truck. No,
one. Why can't we race?
I hate it. Fine. You're not fine. You take this one, and I'll take. Wait, dude, don't move. Don't move.
Okay.
My God, you almost killed me. What the hell, dude? All right, I'm gonna take this one. Let's go. Let's do it.
So lag.
Get out of here.
Whoa.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Get another.
No,
Fine, I'll get another.
no.
I got this one. I guess they're first.
Let's go. We got a minute. We got a minute and 30 to do it.
You go left, I'll go right.
You didn't see me.
Okay, cool. I don't see him anywhere.
Did you say?
Whoa.
I hear something. What?
My car flipped over. Where is he?
You freak.
I thought you
I
were
don't know.
don't kill him.
Whoa. Oh, you almost killed me.
Where's your tanker? Where's your tanker?
Even see.
What?
Dude, I can't.
You don't have a
I can't-
tanker.
it's all. Everything is black. Everything is pitch black.
Wait, what
I can't see
is your
anything.
what's your guys' tank? Just tell me. Just tell me. Don't even.
Dude, I can't see anything.
What's your tank?
Can't
I don't-
see anything. Everything's pitch black.
Tanker. Wait, what are your ears? Yeah, the tanker thing. You were just talking
Oh
about
my
it.
God, that sucks.
The
I
thing
was
you
in a
need.
wall. Dude, I'm stuck inside a wall.
Yeah, that thing. How do you get one? Where's your guys'? So I can capture your guys'.
Kill. Yes.
Oh wow. Okay.
What? Eagle him.
Counter-terrorists win.
Oh, way over there.
How did he get way over there?
Oh. This... Hey,
Let's
ask
do
him to
it.
play comp.
Come on,
Ask him
same
to play
car.
comp.
You don't
It only
play
works when we have this.
I'm getting really bored.
Dude, I am still
Now you're
banned.
still banned.
Alright? I am still banned.
Wow.
I got 4 more days left. Don't ask
4 more
me.
days.
Get in the car.
He got a weak band, didn't he?
Actually, I missed you. I just missed you. Dude, I can't see. You keep moving the car. You're What is with the Mac 9? I mean the Mac 10. What the heck? Where is he shooting at? There he is. I see him. I see him. Target spotted. Dude, I can't look real. Get down.
Where is he?
Got him.
He's in a
Crack.
this is so buggy.
Let's do that. We can do it. 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 Oh, come on. Come on. Hey, get in the car. Get. No.
I'm in.
I freaking hate drive. Yep. Fine, I will drive. Hate driving. Quiet.
Go.
If you do not. What the heck is with that gap? Get out of my car, you freak! What the heck? This guy's... No, wait, shoot it at me. I just got a screenshot of that. Why am I all the way over here? One sec.
Go,
Let me see if I can
drive.
shoot him. Right, yeah. You could shut that stupid guy to me, camera. I don't see the guy. I don't see him.
Oh, it's like a...
There he is! Dude, get out.
Yeah,
Oh, dude, he almost killed me.
He's in ops, dude.
no.
Why fair? I'm gonna leave. This is retarded. Not even fun doing the same thing over and over. Like an hour.
Stop using the op. Alright, let's go. Get in the car.